The idea of artificial intelligence is being thrown around a lot recently, and surprisingly, many don't even understand the actual meaning of AI. Well, theoretically, AI is a subfield of computer science that focuses on the development of intelligent machines that function and behave like people. This boring definition has been around for a long time, but now the very concept of AI has become a crucial component of many fields, including digital marketing, another modern branch that is assisting businesses in achieving meaningful outcomes. In this video, we'll look at how AI is being used in digital marketing and how it can help you completely revolutionize your marketing landscape. But first, what exactly is it? Many businesses have already begun to use artificial intelligence in their digital marketing efforts. This is all due to the development of algorithms that can learn on their own from incoming data. Marketing is one of the most intriguing areas of AI development, with breakthroughs in natural language processing and machine learning assisting organizations in creating more compelling ad material. Now club this with the fact that AI is now all around us. It's employed in chatbots, applications, and even content marketing. One of the most fascinating possible applications of AI is in the field of customer experience. Consider Google Duplex, an AI program that can make phone calls, arrange meetings, and make restaurant bookings on your behalf. With the development of sophisticated AI solutions, marketing will likely be transformed in ways we can't even comprehend right now. Once marketing is streamlined and more efficient, it will be available to dive deeper into the consumer psyche. AI can also help marketers figure out who their target customers are, what they want, and what they're willing to purchase. So it's only a matter of time before a machine learning algorithm can advise marketers just how to sell them. This means AI marketing will have a significant influence on all marketing campaigns and channels, including paid search, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. AI marketing will assist marketers in developing new workflows, optimizing marketing budgets, streamlining content generation, supplementing product feeds with picture recognition, driving predictive analytics, and developing strong new marketing tactics. But does this pose a threat to digital marketers? Well, no. Instead of being concerned about being replaced, current marketers and marketing professionals are wondering how they can employ AI algorithms to achieve a competitive edge, reach more consumers, and increase customer engagement. Up until now, companies use digital marketing tactics to try and reach customers that were scattered around the web. Today, AI technologies can be used to approach a user with a highly targeted advertisement at the exact moment when their consumer behavior suggests that they are most likely to be interested in your product or service. These actionable insights showcase the power AI holds. The question now is, how should businesses capitalize on it? The first and most obvious way is for businesses to employ an AI platform to better analyze and personalize their client journey. It all comes down to understanding the consumer and their requirements. Everything is becoming more personalized, and the cost of marketing is getting lower. We've always been awaiting the day when AI marketing technologies, big data, and machine learning would become part of our everyday lives. Well, that day was here yesterday. It's taking over marketing as we know it. This begs the question, as AI technology grows and evolves, are you ready to reshape your marketing strategy?